Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. It's your boy Zino in the building, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can install your own bot for your Discord server. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial without any need of coding. It's going to be easy. You're going to give it commands and it's going to do whatever you want. So before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. So to make this all work, we're going to go ahead and visit two links. I will leave a link in the description of my Discord. That being said, go ahead and visit it and go ahead and verify yourself right here. You need to hit verify and subscribe to my YouTube channel. After 15 seconds, you will be automatically given the roles to see all the channels. And we're going to visit this channel right here for these two links. As you can see, you can also just type them over. You don't need to... You're not obligated to join my Discord, but yeah, feel free to do, because we also have a support page. Let's go ahead and visit the first two links that's already here. This is link number 1, and our first step, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and make a Discord bot name. Again, this tutorial is for people that don't know any coding, and it's gonna be easy, or wants to start learning how to code, because this is the first basic steps. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Oops. Zoom out there, test bot 2, and we're gonna hit check this and create it. And here we can actually add a picture if we want. And I went ahead and added this picture here. You can give it a description or Lambo, and you can give it tags. Go ahead and save it. After that is done, we're gonna go ahead to click on bot right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and scroll down. We're gonna check this, and this. So that's gonna be these three right here that you can see, and then we're gonna click on here and save. Then you've saved it. Then we're gonna click on here, right here. Yes. And then we're gonna go to URL generator, and we're gonna click on here. And here we're gonna give it the permissions. Let me go ahead and explain this quickly. This can do everything you want, but it's also dangerous. If for whatsoever reason your bot gets hacked, I don't know why or how, then it has administrator rights. If you just want it to manage channels, ban people, send messages, etc., etc., and you know exactly what you wanted to do, then go ahead and only check those. As for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this right here on your own risk. We're going to go ahead and copy this link, and we're going to paste that in our browser. As you can see right here, we're going to hit enter. It's going to add it to the server we want, testbot 2 with the picture. As you can see, we're going to add it to this server right here, and we're going to authorize administrator. We're going to confirm that we are human, and we're going to go to the server that we just added it to. It's going to be this one right here, and as you can see, here it is, but it is offline. So we're gonna go ahead and get it online. How we're gonna do that is we're gonna go ahead and visit the second link, this right here. Already opened it up. We're gonna go ahead and click on create a bot, as you can see, and we're gonna press on that. You're going to be taken to this link right here where you need to give the bot token. What you just saw, I logged out, so you see it as a new user. We're going to go back to link number 1. We're going to go to bot. We're going to reset token, hit yes, do it, and I have an authenticator key for my Discord, so I am gonna go ahead and press this in. You might not have one, so it will do it for you right away. And it has been reset. We're gonna copy it. We're gonna go ahead and fill it in right here. Gonna go ahead and create bot, and we're gonna go to settings. Not settings, modules. Oh, sorry, it is settings. I clicked on premium settings, and the bot is online. It's online. Let's go ahead and check if that's actually true. And that's bot number 2. There you have it. As you can see, it is online. So that is awesome. So now the question is, what are the next steps? And that is to actually see what it can do. Let's go ahead and see what commands are possible. If we do slash right here, we're gonna go over to our bot, and here we can actually see all the commands we want to give it. So that's pretty awesome. It can do everything. Let's go for a test, and we're gonna say if you have any questions, please open up a support post, something like that. Support questions, etc. Just like this. It will actually say it, and you can automate this process. For instance, if you want this to be set every X amount of time, every hour, etc., it is possible. You can also give it warnings or whatever. Let's go ahead and test that out. We go to modules right here, and we're gonna go and scroll down, and we're gonna go ahead and click on auto mod, and here we can enable auto moderator. So let's go ahead and do that, and here we can enable the things that we want it to be able to do. So if someone said bad words, it's going to delete and warn that person. If someone sends links, it's going to do the same thing. Mass emojis, server invites, and links, and etc, etc. So we're gonna go ahead and, for this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and uncheck ignore admins. The reason why is because I'm an admin, so if I'm gonna test this right for you guys, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and uncheck that. We can hit DM reason, and what that means is that if someone does something that's not allowed, they will get a warning and it will message to their inbox. And you can log everything, which we also want. Okay, so this is where the logging will happen. So for instance, let me go ahead and delete this and add a new warning for you. For instance, you can name it whatever you want, and then we can click refresh right here on this right here, refresh. Then you can see the channels, and right here it's been added. We're gonna go ahead and hit save. And now how we're gonna test this is we're gonna go ahead and post a link here. Let's see what happens. And it didn't get deleted. That is because it's a link of itself, of course. So if I do any other link, there you go, it's gone, and I've got a DM. You've been warned. If we go back in here, not this one, where is it? Right here, you will see that we also received a warning. So we can test that one more time. Got a DM and a warning right here. That's how easy and awesome this is. What this means for you is that you just created a bot without any coding. You've automated the process for it, and that's pretty awesome. And this is the first step. If you go back to your dashboard, you can go ahead and add more modules, more automation, and this is all free. If you go to the premium, you also have premium options, but look how much free options you have. You don't even need the premium. So yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. Again, if you want it to do more things, you can just go ahead and see right here and do more research for yourself. Try it out, test it out. This is the foundation of trying to build something yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I made you understand it good. If I did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback for me, please leave it. Thank you all for watching and have a very pleasant day. Goodbye.